Please subscribe to Gauri Tutorials YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you could get the notification of new videos as the time of upload.
Today we are going to study about nutrition in plants. We know that plants prepare their own food, but there are certain plants which do not prepare their own foods and they take their food from other organisms either totally or partially. In this chapter we are going to study how plants take their food. So before that we must know what is nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism. Mode means method of taking food, how an organism takes its food and its utilization in the body of the organism. Now we come to meaning of nutrients. We have studied just nutrition is the mode of taking food. But what are nutrients? Nutrients are the components of food. You have already studied about the components of food in class 6. We studied the examples of carbohydrates, fats, proteins. They are different kind of components which are present in our food. And we also studied in previous class about the balanced diet. Now the components of food which are essential for our body, they are called as nutrients. Examples again, they are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins. Now how do we get nutrients from food? We all know that all living organisms, they need food, and it is a common perception that all the plants, they prepare their own food. Animals take their food from plants or other animals. We have already studied that plants, they carry on a process called as photosynthesis, which we'll be studying in detail in next video. That in this process plants prepare their own food, but animals, they cannot carry on such kind of process and they have to take their food from other plants or the other animals. Like carnivores animal, they consume the herbivores as their food. Plants prepare their food from raw materials. We know that whatever has to be prepared, any product has to be prepared, it is prepared from raw materials. So the raw materials, they are present in the environment. And what are those raw materials? They are carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Now you can see in this figure also that carbon dioxide, water and minerals, they are taken up by the plants, out of which water and minerals are taken up from the soil, while carbon dioxide is taken from the air. These are the three raw materials which are used by the plants to prepare their food. Now regarding the introduction of modes of nutrition, how plants, they take up their food. There are basic two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now when we talk of autotrophic, auto means automatic, that organism produces itself. Trophic means method of taking food. Now it is the mode of nutrition in which living organisms, they prepare their own food. They do not depend on other organisms for food, they prepare their own food. For example, green plants, they can prepare their own food. Second is heterotrophic nutrition. It is the mode of nutrition in which organism does not prepare their own food like that of the green plants, but they take their food from other living organisms. That may be plant, that may be animal. So they are called as heterotrophic organisms, and this mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic. Like we can see here, autotrophic nutrition, plants prepare their own food and they need sunlight for the preparation of the food. They need carbon dioxide, they need water, minerals from the soil, and also they can prepare the food in the presence of sunlight, and they also need a green pigment called as chlorophyll for preparing their food. But they can prepare their own food and they can meet their daily requirements from this food. Now there are different modes of heterotrophic nutrition which we'll be studying later in this chapter. Like you must have seen mold, bread mold on the bread. These organisms, they also cannot prepare their own food. They consume the food prepared by other organisms. Also we see that different animals are there Either they are dependent on food on the plants or on the other animals. There are certain plants which can consume the insects. We will be studying about these plants also later on in this chapter. And also there are certain organisms which grow on the dead decaying matter. So we'll be studying about different modes of heterotrophic nutrition further in this chapter. So this was about this video. In the next part of the video, we'll be studying about photosynthesis in plants.